This is a 2008 BMW 3 Series, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Its top features include memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a sunroof with a sun shield, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 26,000 miles on the odometer. This BMW has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.